Another problem that's common in the second assignment for the Stat 213 course is problem 7. So here you've got two hunters, Zeke and Bubba, who are both shooting at a squirrel. What is told to us is that Bubba is 2 times better of a shot than Zeke, and that here Bubba and Zeke shooting are both independent events, and then it also gives us the probability that Zeke will hit. So I just set up a contingency table here. Zeke hits, Zeke misses, Bubba hits, Bubba misses. The only piece of information that we are given is the probability that Zeke hits. So that would be here X, which in my case is 0.37. Because Bubba is 2 times better of a shot, then the probability that Bubba hits should be 2 times the probability that Zeke hits, and then also because it's independent, here the probability that Zeke hits multiplied by the probability that Bubba hits, so 2x times x, would be the probability that both Zeke and Bubba hit. So here in this particular quadrant right here, this would be where the squirrel actually gets shot twice, once by Bubba and once by Zeke. You could fill out the rest of the contingency table by knowing that this number plus this number needs to equal this number. This number plus this number needs to equal this number. This number plus this number needs to equal 1. This number plus this number needs to equal 1. And this number plus this number needs to equal this number. Okay, so let's just look at what happened. Here, in this particular intersection, this is where we're saying the squirrel got shot twice, once by Bubba, once by Zeke. Here, this is the probability that Zeke will hit the squirrel, but Bubba will miss. Here's where Bubba will hit the squirrel, but Zeke will miss. And here is where both hunters miss the squirrel. So when you're asking what's the probability that the squirrel will be shot, it gets shot exactly once here by Bubba, but not by Zeke, twice here by Bubba and Zeke, and once here by Zeke, but not by Bubba. So here, A plus B plus D should end up being the probability that the squirrel gets shot. What's the probability the squirrel does not get shot? Here, this is where both Zeke and Bubba will miss. If the squirrel is shot, so given the squirrel is shot. So given one of these three things, so given this plus this plus this, then what's the probability that Zeke shoots it? So out of this group, what's the probability that Zeke hits? Zeke hits here and here. So it should be A plus B divided by A plus B plus, here actually it says C, but it should be A plus B plus D. If only one person hits the squirrel. So that is actually here. This is where Bubba hits, but Zeke misses, or where Zeke hits, but Bubba misses. So that's only two places. That is B or D. So out of those two, that's going to be in the denominator, this plus this. What's the probability that Bubba, so here, what's the probability that Bubba, which is here D, out of B plus D? Give that a try and good luck.